Hi, I'm Tyrone Humbles. Welcome to Captiva Spirits Craft Cocktails. Today we're going to show you how to make our version of our Captiva Mimosa. You're going to need a few items. You're going to need some Captiva Spirits Key Lime Honey Vodka. You're going to need some orange juice, some sparkling wine, a shaker, a shot glass, and of course the flute to pour it into. We're going to start out by putting some ice into our shaker. We're going to take 1 ounce of key lime honey vodka. We're going to put 2 ounces of orange juice. We're going to take 4 ounces of sparkling wine. Or Prosecco, whatever your favorite sparkling wine is. It's approximately 4 shots. You're going to stir with your seahorse stirrer. Pour the contents into a flute. This is our version of a Captiva Mimosa. Cheers.